And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Yeah, lots of sweating here locally as well. Our temperatures today, hitting 90 degrees usually in the summertime is not really a big deal, but just the second time so far this summer at TF Green today did we hit 90 plus, and it's the start of what will turn out to be almost nearly a week of 90 plus heat for most locations, including in Richmond today. A little cloud cover moving in. You can see a little bit of wispy clouds, but overall though, a lot of sunshine today, and those temperatures were warm, hot, however you want to define it. Many locations went 90 plus. Right now, sitting at 90 in New Bedford, 89 in Taunton, 85 in Smithfield, 85 in Coventry. And today, most locations hit 90 except the Rhode Island beaches, which you just kind of hovered in the mid to upper 80s most of the afternoon. But you had some of the highest humidity, too, in the Newport area. Dew points in the 60s to near 70. I think the temperature tomorrow comes up a little bit, and the humidity comes up a little bit, and that combination we'll have real field temperatures, especially away from the beaches, close to 100 degrees. So a hot and humid one tomorrow. High pressure and control of the weather. And besides maybe a spotty shower Thursday, staying in control through the weekend. So day one of the books, got a couple more to go, 5 to 6, taking this thing through the weekend. More humid and hotter tomorrow. And I talked about this yesterday, the consistent temperatures of 90 plus for the next week, yes, but the elevated humidity and then dropping the humidity and then coming back up again. And that will happen throughout this time frame of a week of almost 90-degree temperatures each and every day. The humidity is not going to be oppressive every single day, but tomorrow it will be. Storms possible Thursday. If you want to get a little relief, you can get a storm, and that would be great. But it looks like right now the best chance for storms will likely be in northern New England, not for us. But we're keeping an eye on it because what's scary about Thursday, any storms that do develop could go severe like that. The conditions are favorable for sure and something that we'll be watching very closely. Hopefully they'll stay north. I know the rain would be nice to cool things off, but you don't want severe weather either. So we got generally sunny conditions through the evening and then clear skies overnight. Very warm tonight, mid-70s at midnight, low to mid-70s when you wake up tomorrow. And then tomorrow, hot and humid, southwest winds will be light. And the temperatures, beaches, mid to upper 80s for areas like Narragansett, Newport, Westerly, Charlestown. And then you don't have to go far north. Tiverton, Hope Valley, Richmond. You just have to go a few miles north and you get some 90s, mid-90s at that in Johnston and also in Pawtucket. Lots of 90s for you, less of an ocean influence, so therefore not the beaches in southeastern Mass cooler. It's actually Cape Cod and the islands that will be in the 80s. Everybody else in southeastern Mass 90s. So heat index tomorrow, follow the bouncing ball. There it goes, 96. That's in the morning. Then you get to around noon, 3 p.m., 1 o'clock in the afternoon, close to 100 degrees. They're the same number pretty much. 5 p.m., 99. And then you get towards the evening, 88. And the roller coaster of where it gets very uncomfortable peaks during the mid-afternoon hours. So a heat advisory in place. Newport County, you're left out. I don't mean to exclude you. If you cross over the line into Tiverton and it's hotter, I don't know, but you're not in it, and I know why. You won't hit the criteria, but it's still going to be a sweaty one. So if you're at the beach, please be careful. The rip current risk was high today, and it's going to be moderate again tomorrow. So if you're going to be swimming, please use extra caution. So no precipitation tonight or tomorrow. You're just dealing with the heat. There's your temperatures tomorrow, 80s and 90s. We go to the day on Thursday, a slight chance of a shower. You'll see them pop up in here in the afternoon, but look where they are, mainly north. If we can swing one over here, it might cool things off just a bit, but nonetheless, the best chance of cooling off doesn't happen until after the weekend when a front comes through Monday and Tuesday. Spark showers and storms, temperatures will fall back in the 80s. John.
Thank you, Jeff. Still to come on ABC 6 News.